Welcome to another Math Ninja Pro video.
In this video, we will learn how to solve problems involving mean, median, and mode.
So in this example, it says that a survey was conducted to find the number of passengers in each taxi passing an ERP gantry. So we can see here from the frequency table that there are 0 passengers in one of the taxi, 1 passenger in X number of taxis, 2 passengers in 2 times of X plus 2 taxis, 3 passengers in 19 taxis, and 4 passengers in 11 taxis. So the question says that the modal number of passengers in each taxi is 3. So in other words, it's trying to tell us that 3 is the most popular occurring number of passengers. And we can see that 3 corresponds to a frequency of 19. That means there are 19 taxis with 3 passengers, right? And this 19 has to be the largest possible number. Then only 3 can be the mode here. Because the mode must have the highest frequency, right? It occurs the most number of times. So in this case, I need to find the largest possible value of X. So we can see that for 19 to be the largest possible frequency, my X definitely needs to be less than 19. And my 2 times of X plus 2 also definitely needs to be less than 19. So let's consider this, okay? X must be less than 19. And at the same time, 2 times of X plus 2 must also be less than 19, because these two values over here, they both cannot be more than 19. If they are more than 19, then 3 can no longer be the mode. So let's try to solve this inequality over here. So in order to solve this inequality, I would need to first multiply the 2 into X plus 2. So that will give me 2X plus 4 less than 19. So if you recall, if you want to solve an inequality, you can subtract 4 on both sides. So that will be 15. And then X must be less than 15 divided by 2. So must be less than 7.5. Since in this case, right, X is the number of taxis, so X cannot be a decimal, right? So therefore, largest X has to be 7. Okay, now let's go and do question B. Okay, the question says you have to find the largest possible value of X given that the median number of passengers in each taxi is 3. So again, we need to understand what the frequency table is trying to tell us about the data set. So basically, there is 1, 0. Then there are X number, right, of 1 passengers. And then we have a lot of 2's. How many exactly? We have 2 times of X plus 2 2's. And then we have 19 3's. And finally, we have 11 4's. Okay, so to get the largest possible value of X, again, we will need to have a large number of data points in front of the median. So the median 3 is right over here. If this is the median 3, then how many 3's are there behind this median? There will be 18 of them. And there are another 11 4's, right? So all together, behind the median 3, there are all together 29 data points. So what does this mean? This means that in front of the median 3, there must also be 29 data points because the median cuts the data set into 2 equal halves. So if behind the median has 29 data points, in front of the median there must also be 29 data points. So in other words, if I have 1 plus x plus 2 times of x plus 2, this must be equal to 29. So now let's proceed to solve this equation to find x. So to do that, I need to multiply the 2 to x and multiply the 2 to 2 to get 4. X plus 2x is 3x. 29, I subtract 1, subtract 4. Right, to get rid of the 1 and 4 on the left hand side. So this would give me 24 on the right hand side. So therefore my x will be 24 divided by 3, that's 8.
Remember to like, subscribe, and keep coming back for more Ninja level math videos.